Hello everyone and welcome back to Money Finance Wealth. Today we're discussing a crucial habit for long-term financial success that is often neglected, the financial checkup. Before we dive in, if you're new here, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our in-depth guides to mastering your finances. We're all about providing you with the knowledge you need to build a secure financial future. Think about your health. You go for regular checkups to make sure everything is on track and to catch potential issues before they become major problems. Your financial life deserves the same level of care. A financial plan isn't a set-it-and-forget-it document. It's a living roadmap that needs to be revisited and adjusted as your life, goals, and the world around you change. This video will be your comprehensive guide on when and how to conduct a thorough financial checkup to ensure you stay on the path to prosperity. First, let's establish why this is so important. A financial plan created 5 years ago might be completely irrelevant today. Here's why regular checkups are non-negotiable. Life is dynamic. Your life doesn't stand still. You change jobs, get married, have children, buy a home. Each of these events has significant financial implications that your original plan may not account for. Prevent financial drift. Without regular reviews, it's easy to drift off course. Small, uncorrected deviations from your plan can compound over time, leading you far from your intended destination. A checkup is your course correction. Capitalize on new opportunities. Your income might increase, new investment opportunities might arise, or tax laws might change. A checkup allows you to identify and take advantage of these new opportunities to accelerate your wealth building. Manage changing risks. Your risk tolerance changes with age and circumstances. What was an appropriate investment strategy in your 20s might be too risky in your 50s. Regular reviews ensure your risk exposure aligns with your current comfort level. Stay accountable to your goals. A financial checkup forces you to look at your progress, or lack thereof. It's a moment of accountability that can reignite your motivation and recommit you to your financial objectives. Knowing when to review your plan is half the battle. There are two main types of checkups, scheduled and event-driven. At a minimum, you should conduct a thorough financial checkup at least once a year. A good time to do this is at the beginning of the new year or after you've filed your taxes, as you'll have all your financial documents handy. During your annual checkup, you should perform a comprehensive review of all the areas we'll discuss in the next section. This is your chance to see the big picture, assess your annual progress, and set new goals for the year ahead. Certain major life events should immediately trigger a financial plan review, regardless of when your last annual checkup was. These events can fundamentally alter your financial landscape. Let's explore some of the most common triggers. Getting married or entering a partnership. You're now merging two financial lives. You need to discuss joint versus separate accounts, update beneficiary designations, review insurance coverage, and create shared financial goals. Having a child. This is a huge financial change. You'll need to budget for new expenses, start a college savings plan like a 529, increase your life insurance coverage, and update your will and estate plan. Changing jobs or a significant change in income, up or down. A new job means a new salary, new retirement plan options, like a 401k, and new benefits to evaluate. A significant raise provides an opportunity to increase savings, while a job loss requires a complete reevaluation of your budget and emergency fund. Buying a home. This is one of the largest financial commitments you'll make. It changes your cash flow, your net worth, and your insurance needs. Your budget will need a major overhaul. Receiving an inheritance or a financial windfall. Suddenly coming into a large sum of money requires careful planning to ensure it's used wisely, whether for paying off debt, investing, or achieving other long-term goals. Nearing retirement, 5-10 years out, this is the time to get serious about the transition from accumulation to distribution. You'll need to review your asset allocation, estimate retirement expenses, and create a withdrawal strategy. A major health diagnosis. A serious illness can bring unexpected medical costs and may impact your ability to work. This necessitates a review of your health insurance, disability coverage, and emergency savings. Divorce or loss of a spouse. This is a profoundly difficult time that also involves disentangling finances. It requires updating all account ownership, beneficiaries, insurance, and your entire estate plan. Okay, you've scheduled your checkup. What do you actually do? Follow this comprehensive checklist. Step 1. Gather your documents and calculate your net worth. Before you can analyze anything, you need the data. Gather all your financial statements, bank accounts, credit card statements, investment and retirement account statements, mortgage and loan statements, pay stubs and insurance policies. Then, calculate your net worth. Create 2 columns. Assets, what you own, and liabilities, what you owe. Subtract your liabilities from your assets. This single number is a powerful snapshot of your overall financial health, and tracking its change year over year is incredibly motivating. Step 2. Reevaluate your financial goals. Are the goals you set last year still relevant? Ask yourself, have my short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals changed? Are my goals still SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound? Am I on track to meet my existing goals? If not, why? Step 3. Analyze your budget and cash flow. This is about understanding where your money is going. Review your spending for the last 3-6 months. Are there any leaks or areas of overspending? Is your budget still realistic? Does it need to be adjusted for inflation or changes in your lifestyle? Calculate your savings rate, the percentage of your income you're saving. Is it high enough to meet your goals? Step 4. Review your debt situation. List all your debts, their current balances, and their interest rates. Are you making progress on paying down high-interest debt? Have interest rates on your variable rate debts changed? Could you benefit from refinancing your mortgage or student loans to a lower interest rate? Check your credit score and review your credit report for any errors. Step 5. Check your emergency fund. Do you have 3-6 months of essential living expenses saved in a liquid high-yield savings account? Have your essential expenses increased, requiring a larger emergency fund? If you had to use your emergency fund, have you replenished it? Step 6. Assess your investments and retirement accounts contributions. Are you contributing enough to get the full employer match in your 401k? Are you maxing out your IRA? Asset allocation. Is your mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets still aligned with your risk tolerance and time horizon? Performance. How have your investments performed compared to their benchmarks? Don't panic over short-term fluctuations, but look for long-term trends. Rebalancing. Has your desired asset allocation drifted? For example, if stocks have done well, they may now represent a larger percentage of your portfolio than you intended. It might be time to sell some and buy more of your underperforming assets to get back to your target mix. Fees. Review the expense ratios on your mutual funds and ETFs. High fees can significantly eat into your returns over time. Step 7. Review your insurance coverage. Insurance is your financial safety net. Life insurance. Do you have enough coverage to protect your dependents if you were to pass away? Has your family grown? Disability insurance. This is arguably more important than life insurance for most working people. Is your coverage adequate to replace a significant portion of your income if you become disabled and can't work? Homeowners, renters, and auto insurance. Are your coverage limits still appropriate? Can you get a better rate by shopping around or bundling policies? Step 8. Look at your estate plan beneficiaries. This is critical and often forgotten. Check the beneficiary designations on all your accounts. 401, Ks, IRAs, life insurance policies, and bank accounts. These designations override your will. Will and trusts. Does your will still reflect your wishes? Do you need to create or update a trust? Power of attorney and healthcare directive. Have you designated someone to make financial and medical decisions for you if you become incapacitated? Knowing what not to do is just as important. Analysis paralysis. Don't get so caught up in the numbers that you fail to take action. The goal is progress, not perfection. Emotional decision-making. Don't let fear during a market downturn or greed during a bull market cause you to abandon your long-term investment strategy. The ostrich approach, procrastinating or avoiding the checkup altogether because you're afraid of what you might find. Facing reality is the only way to improve it. Tunnel vision. Focusing only on one area like your investment returns, while ignoring equally important areas like your insurance coverage or debt levels. Forgetting to act. A checkup is useless if you don't create an action plan based on your findings. Write down 3-5 concrete steps to take over the next few months. Going through this detailed checklist can be eye-opening. Sometimes it can also feel overwhelming, especially when you uncover complex questions about tax strategies, investment allocation, or estate planning. This is where a professional checkup, guided by an expert, can be invaluable. A qualified financial advisor can provide an objective, third-party perspective and help you create a sophisticated, integrated plan. Speaking of guidance, we'd like to thank Fennel Wealth Management for sponsoring this video. If you're looking for personalized financial advice and wealth management solutions, their team can help you navigate the complexities of financial planning and build a strategy tailored to your specific needs. You can reach them at 888-336-8586, email info@fanuel.com, or visit their website at fanuelwealthmanagement.com. A professional can help you interpret the results of your financial checkup and turn them into a powerful action plan for the future. Your financial future is one of your most important assets. Treat it with the care it deserves. A regular financial checkup is the tool you use to stay in control, adapt to change, and confidently steer your plan toward your ultimate goals. Thanks for watching Money, Finance, Wealth. We hope this video has empowered you to take charge of your financial plan. And before you go, please give this video a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on all things money, finance, and wealth. Your support helps us continue to create valuable resources for your financial journey. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.